Canada has issued a significant weather bulletin for regions in the broadcast area. Stay tuned for further information. Environnement Canada a émis un bulletin de conditions météorologiques importantes pour les régions dans la zone de diffusion. Environment Canada has issued a significant weather bulletin for regions. Stay tuned for further information. Environnement Canada a émis un bulletin de conditions météorologiques importantes pour les régions dans la zone de diffusion. Restez à l'écoute pour plus d'informations.
Environment Canada has updated a tornado warning for northern Alberta at 3:36 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Saturday, June 9th, 2018. A tornado warning is issued for Smoky Lake County near Buffalo Lake and Kikano, Métis settlements. A tornado warning is continued for Smoky Lake County near Vilna, Saddle Lake, and Whitefish Lake, and Smoky Lake County near Smoky Lake and Wasetna. A tornado warning is ended for Lamont County near Andrew and Wostock. A severe thunderstorm warning is ended for Beaver County near Holden and Riley. A severe thunderstorm watch is continued for the following regions: Westlock, Barhead, Athabasca, Fort Saskatchewan, Vegreville, Redwater, Smoky Lake, and Leduc, Camrose, Wetaskiwin, Tofield.
Environnement Canada a mis